The era of the AI gold rush is officially over. We are done with generating viral portraits of astronauts riding dragons or surreal landscapes that look cool but sell absolutely nothing. That was the spectacle phase. Now, we are entering the profitability phase. For marketers in 2025, a pretty image is just noise if it doesn't convert. The new arms race isn't about imagination, it is about automation. It is about taking a blurry screenshot of a serum bottle and turning it into 5 high-performing TikTok ads in seconds. Today, we are looking at a heavyweight title fight that will determine the future of your ad revenue. In the red corner, we have the challenger, OpenAI's massive new model, GPT-1.5. In the blue corner, the reigning champion of practical workflows, NanoBanana Pro. We are not just looking at benchmarks. We are putting them into a real-world, automated ad factory to see which one can actually sell a bottle of Chanel perfume. The results were not what we expected. Before we get to the showdown, you need to understand the shift. Real marketing workflows are not about creating from scratch. They are about editing. If you ask an AI to generate a product from thin air, it will hallucinate the logo, warp the bottle shape, and get you sued by your compliance team. Brands need pixel-perfect geometry. They need the bottle to look exactly like the bottle. This is why simple text-to-image prompts feel dated. The modern solution is what we call an AI ad factory. This isn't just typing into a chat box. We are talking about a fully automated pipeline using no-code tools like N8N. Imagine a system where you upload a rough founder selfie or a product screenshot, and a machine automatically describes it, writes a prompt, and spins up dozens of variations. You aren't an artist anymore. You are operating a software-defined studio that runs 24/7. This brings us to our contenders. GPT-1.5 claims the top spot on the LM Arena leaderboard. It is backed by OpenAI's war chest and excels at understanding complex instructions. It is the hype beast. On the other side, NanoBanana Pro has been the quiet workhorse for agencies. It is known for ruthless product focus, keeping labels legible and compositions usable. The question is, can the benchmark leader dethrone the practical favorite when money is on the line? Let's break down the experiment. We are using a workflow designed by creator Zubair Trabzada. It sits inside N8N, connecting Google Drive, OpenAI, and our image models. The test subject? A basic, imperfect screenshot of a bottle of Bleu de Chanel, taken straight from Google Images. No studio lighting, just a raw JPEG. The prompt is simple. Create a luxury, seductive man's fragrance UGC ad featuring a handsome man in a tailored dark suit seated confidently against the wall. Here is the magic of the factory. The workflow uploads the image to Drive, uses an AI vision model to describe the bottle's shape and lighting, and then feeds that technical data into our two contenders. Both models get the exact same seed image and the exact same prompt. This eliminates the prompt wizardry variable. It is a pure test of the model's ability to edit reality without breaking the brand. First up, the results from GPT-1.5. The output looks like a page torn out of a September fashion issue. It is incredibly atmospheric. The bottle is framed by a moody, desaturated environment. The lighting is soft and directional. The model in the suit feels like he belongs in a French apartment at midnight. It screams luxury brand awareness. It is chic, it is editorial, and it is a vibe. Now, let's look at NanoBanana Pro. The difference is jarring. This doesn't look like a magazine spread. It looks like the Sephora homepage. The bottle jumps forward with tack-sharp edges and high-contrast highlights. There is a dark-to-light gradient that drags your eye straight to the logo. Where GPT went for subtlety, NanoBanana went for the hard sell. It is crisp, commercial, and aggressive. So, who wins? If you are running a brand awareness campaign and want to build a mood, GPT-1.5 is your artist. But if you are a performance marketer whose job depends on click-through rates, NanoBanana Pro might still be the king. It understands that the product is the hero, not the atmosphere. In the world of UGC ads, stopping the scroll is the only metric that matters. But here is the real unlock. You don't have to choose. With an automated factory in N8N, you can run both. You can generate 50 variants from GPT and 50 from NanoBanana in the time it took to watch this video. You can A/B test them live and let the market decide. This turns image editing from a creative debate into a measurable optimization problem. And it doesn't stop at still images. The final step of this workflow pipes these images into an AI video generator. Suddenly, that static Chanel ad is a 10-second vertical video with motion and voiceover, ready for TikTok or Reels. You have gone from a Google image screenshot to a full-funnel video campaign with zero manual Photoshop work. This is the future of the agency model. The value isn't in making one nice image. The value is in building the factory. You can clone this workflow, host it cheaply on a VPS, and offer it as a service. You aren't just a creative anymore. You are a tech stack. The tools are there: N8N, Hostinger, the models. It is just about who connects the dots first. If you want to build this exact factory, check the resources in the description. We have linked the blueprints and the tools you need to get started. Stop trying to generate the perfect prompt and start building the perfect pipeline. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the automated future of creativity. I'll see you in the next one.